Shikhar Dhawan, fondly known as Gabbar, has officially announced his retirement from international cricket, leaving behind a legacy of memorable performances and match-winning knocks. Over his illustrious career, Dhawan became known for his fearless batting and ability to rise to the occasion in high-pressure matches. He has been one of those impactful players for India. And what does Shikhar Dhawan's departure really mean? Take a look.
नमस्कार सभी को। आज एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़ा हूं जहां से पीछे देखने पर सिर्फ यादें ही नजर आती हैं और आगे देखने पर एक पूरी दुनिया। मेरी हमेशा से एक की मंजिल थी, इंडिया के लिए खेलना, और वो हुआ भी, जिसके लिए मैं कई लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूं। सबसे पहले मेरी फैमिली, मेरे बचपन के कोच तारिक सेना जी, मदन शर्मा जी, जिनके अंडर मैंने क्रिकेट सीखी, फिर मेरी टीम जिसके साथ साथ मैं सालों खेला। मुझे एक परिवार और मिला, नाम मिला, आप सबका प्यार मिला। पर कहते हैं ना, कहानी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए पन्ने पलटना जरूरी है। तो बस मैं भी ऐसे ही करने जा रहा हूं। आई एम अनाउंसिंग माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट। और अब जब मैं अपनी क्रिकेट जर्नी को अलविदा कह रहा हूं, तो मेरे दिल में एक सुकून है कि मैं अपने देश के लिए बहुत खेला, और मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूं बीसीसीआई डीडीसीए का, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया, और मेरे सारे फैंस का, जिन्होंने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया। मैं बस खुद से यही कहता हूं कि भाई, तू इस बात से दुखी मत हो कि तू अपने देश के लिए फिर नहीं खेलेगा, पर इस बात की खुशी अपने पास रख कि तू अपने देश के लिए खेला। और ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी बात है, मैं खेला।
Shikhar Dhawan retiring from cricket, international cricket and domestic cricket means end of an era. And that's because he's been one of the ODI greats. Shikhar retires truly as the Gabbar of ODI cricket. 8 batters in the history of ODI have scored over 5,000 runs. Shikhar Dhawan is one of them. He has scored 6,793 runs in one-day cricket. Overall, Shikhar has scored 24 centuries, 17 of those in ODIs and 7 of those in Test cricket. The most significant one, I would say, is when he marked his announcement in international cricket against Australia in Mohali. He scored 100 in 85 balls. He scored a century on a debut, and the fastest by an Indian debutant. It was that moment when Shikhar Dhawan burst onto the international stage. But thereafter, he experienced a little bit of a lull. 2011, when Champions Trophy happened in England, it was the second coming for Shikhar Dhawan, and he had a very big tournament. He was the player of the tournament. In 363, he scored 363 runs in 5 innings during that edition of the Champions Trophy that India had won under MS Dhoni. Shikhar Dhawan had several highs and lows in his career. Talking about lows, one would say the finger injury that he sustained during the 2019 World Cup that really marked the downfall of Shikhar Dhawan. From then on, he never completely recovered to play on the top for India. When we look at his T20 career, he's played for 5 T20 franchises, and he's also been a phenomenal run scorer in T20 cricket, in franchise cricket. So there will be a big hole created with Shikhar Dhawan retiring from international and domestic cricket. Perhaps he thought that the time was right for him to hang up his boots. There has been a transition in terms of the coaching staff in Indian cricket, and Shikhar Dhawan, who has been around for the last 13 years, has experienced several highs in international cricket. Perhaps thought it was the time to truly pass on the baton to the likes of Shubman Gill.